Tanya, your package just arrived. I opened it up a little bit already. I actually think I'm gonna try to reuse the box to send you your package. You sent me so many treats. I haven't opened the handmade things. Tanya is a very good friend, also one of my testers. She's part of my Discord, and we did a swap. So I just got her package all the way from Canada, and I'm waiting for Adam to come out of the bedroom so that he can see all these candies, because he's going to really like some of them. The cookie cutters. Look at the teeny spider. And these little tiny adorable mugs. I think actually I'll put them on my shelf over here when I switch out for Christmas decor. And then some candles. And I think all of these actually will fit in my, like my candlestick, ceramic candlestick holders. I've never made petite fours, but I think I have to now. They're so cute. They're toadstools. What did you do? What is this? Tanya, you sent more than you were supposed to, ma'am. Oh, because of her log cabin. These are really, really, really good. I like these. They're like crunchier than Cheetos and a little bit richer, but they're really similar to an American Cheeto. Are Cheetos only American? I don't want Steven. Steven, you can't have it.
We got.
They're really big. Here. You don't want it? You like Cheetos. Do you want one? You don't want it?
Oh
My goodness. Do you want it now? Oh. Oh, it's just because Daddy was holding you. Okay. That makes sense. I love all the mushrooms, which I suspect she knew that I would, given that they're in my skin. Aww. Thank you. All of the kids will love this too. Adam, she sent us some 45s. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at the button. Can you see it? Ooh. Look at this button. And the back is like a faux leather. It's beautiful. That's insane. And look at her picture. Thank you, Tanya. I love it so much. I love everything. Everything. Everything is perfect. Oh my gosh. Look at this guy. Shut up, Adam. Look at this guy. I'm so happy. I just finished the color work on the second fingerless catacomb mitt, and I originally wanted it just to be pure black because that's kind of my go-to, and since this pair is for me, I thought that it being black would make it more wearable for me, but actually I'm finding that the black accent, the contrast color being black and the main color being this dove gray, it accents all of the black stuff I wear so nicely. It's such a nice neutral pair, and I think that I'm going to reach for I know I'm going to reach for these first. Why isn't it focusing? Isn't that cute? The little skull just hanging out under the stripes. The striped thumbs give me very Tim Burton feels. I just love striped thumbs, if you can't tell by my other patterns. I've also caught up on several Vlogtobers. I am finishing this episode of Flannel and Pearls from a while ago. I think he put this out a while ago. I've just been living in my headphones the past 2 days, and I need to go get the kids now, and I also should probably put some makeup on because I am real red in the face. But I'm still not feeling super great today. Better than I was yesterday. Yesterday wasn't a good day as far as my mental, physical health, so we took it off. I hear someone outside. I think they're moving their trash cans out. Anyway, I have to go get the kiddos now and stop by the post office and drop off some packages because I am so close to being caught up in the shop. I'm so excited. I think it's been like 3 weeks since I've been caught up in the shop, so that's gonna feel so nice. I also switched over my mittens into my new bag. So yeah, I think all the bags I'm using now are swap bags. From Jill, from Puff Stitch, and now Tanya. Yay! So we have cookie cutters. We have strawberry marshmallows. I thought you would like, Rory.
Are you sure that's what that is?
Yep. It goes on that, babe. Switch it to 45. It's not on.
I can live with that.
Is it?
Stevie. The rubber has a million. Ellie, look at the camera.
She did. The chest rubs. Steven.
Loud. Loud. Rear.
She can't handle the anticipation. Oh. Oh. She says, look, you have to fight me for it. Oh, growling. Steven, are you a mean dog? Oh my. Oh my goodness. Steven.